The best product posters focus on one powerful message instead of too many details. Open Canva and create a new product poster from a blank canvas. Choose a simple background and add a few clean shapes from the Elements panel to create visual sections without cluttering the layout. Upload your product image and make it the largest element on the page so it immediately captures attention. Position the shapes around the product to naturally direct the viewer's eyes toward the important information. Add a bold headline highlighting your product, followed by 1 or 2 key features, pricing, and a simple call to action using clean fonts. Select colors that reflect your brand while maintaining strong contrast for easy readability. Adjust the transparency of background shapes